What did you do to my son? I'm asking you a question. Don't welcome me. What did you do to my son? Where's my son?
Your son, I believe you already have an answer to that because you were the one who called Queen.
And what did Queen tell you?
Last time I checked, we were not friends. You didn't tell me anything.
I'm asking you a question. What did you do to my son? Where is my son? I left my son here for you to take care of. Where is he? What did you do to him? Or what? Let me ask the... Don't cut me when I'm talking. Oh, don't. What did my son do to you that warranted what you did to him? Tell me.
It baffles me how you would believe a child over an adult. Why? I didn't do anything to him.
Are you crazy? You hit my son. You slapped him and he hit his head on whatever in the kitchen. Now he's being treated in the hospital for a head injury.
What? Honey, that's a really big accusation. And I wonder why they would lie against me.
Are you mad? Don't push me, oh. That boy is my blood. Do not push me.
So because of that nitwit, you slapped me? For what?
You call me? What did you call?
Alex, you went too far. Do you know you almost got your wife killed?
If she dies, let her die now. Everybody will rest.
No, Alex, don't sound this way. You are sounding like a total stranger. It's as if I don't even know you.
No, you will not understand. You will not understand. You know men don't talk. You just try to, ignore certain things, but women will keep pushing you. I've had it up to here with her.
But just look at it. She's now hospitalized. What are you going to do?
She'll stay there. Yes, let her remain there, hospitalized. She'll be receiving treatment. Maybe while she's there, her brain will balance and she'll remember who she used to be. Return to that person that I used to know. If not, this is just the beginning.
Here. So, Vera, look at where your good woman has landed you. In the hospital. Oh yeah. Your husband beat you landed in the hospital because you are married in Aludi. Who is that man? They never born her. Mama. Me, Jesse. One useless thing will now push me, although it's possible. Hey? Here!
What would you have me do?
You are asking me, what would I have you do? Mama, my sister, mount your ground. Gather your things. No grief or nonsense. Declare war. Make your points clear and crystal, like let it be plain. What is it? You have a son and a daughter for your husband. You have secured the territory now. Nobody can ask you out of your house. So please mount it, gather it, and guard it with your life. Okay, what is this? Just imagine. See my friend though, with your fine skin, Aludi.
You're very, very correct.
Oh, I'm always right.
As soon as I leave this hospital, it's going to be war.
Bam! That's it.
And if that useless, stupid, disgusting, nonsensical queen comes near me, she will be the first to go down.
Good! That is the song of war I want to hear now. Drum of war. This is you. This is my friend speaking. I'm behind you. I do your back, gidigba. Nothing they happen. Nothing bigger. You understand? I'm here. I'm a friend now. What are friends for?
Yeah.
Just imagine my fine friend though. See your skin.
I'm getting better.
You will get better. Sorry. Oh, is it how I used? Sorry. No. So sorry. You'll be fine. The devil is a liar. They cannot kill you.
Vera, why have you refused the advice of your mother? When did you get to this level? Mother, have you come to console me or add salt to my wound? I've come to add salt to your wound, if that is what you call it. Makadama Zundera. I did not train a mad child.
Is that why he will beat me to this extent? Beat me to the point of death? Is he a madman who does this to his own wife?
You should have learned to keep your mouth. Because if you did not blab it, he will not beat you.
Mother, if your husband beat you up the way my husband just beat me up, I don't think he would have given birth to me. Mother, please, where are my kids? Why are they not here? Mother, you sent for me.
Yes, Vera. I sent for you so that you can apologize to your husband. Let him forgive you for your wrongdoings.
Mama, what did I do wrong? Because I was fighting for my children. Who will not apologize to me for this one?
You need no apologies. And the fight you're fighting, you're not supposed to be fighting it. Because this family is large enough. They are wealthy enough that inheritance will be given to your children. So you have to apologize to him. You do not deserve his own apologies. So what
you're trying to say now is that I should keep quiet while everything is being given to another person.
Nobody is receiving anything without your children being involved. Do you hear me, Vera? Nobody will receive anything without your children being involved. Everybody will get their portion as they deserve. Do what I said. He's on his way. Now.
I'm sorry, my husband, for everything. It won't happen again.
Promise him sincerely that a change will be seen. A change will be seen. Say that.
A change will be seen in me. It will not happen again. I promise.
Go closer. Go closer. Do it the way African women do it to their husband. Go closer.
Mother, I am scared for my life. I have not recovered.
Vera, I said go closer.
Mother, if anything happens to me, will you bear the responsibility?
Yes, I am your mother. I will bear it. Go closer. Closer. Closer.
My husband, I'm sorry for everything that happened. It will not happen again. I promise.
I know. Please don't worry. Everything will be alright.
Alice, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Here's why you came to my house unannounced. What if I went to my auntie's place? Because you know I usually stay there.
Well, today you didn't go. My calculation was right. G, let's go.
No, Daddy, please. I want to stay for the remaining time. I cannot go back there, please.
Alice, what's going on?
I will stay here for the remaining time.
Obina's grandma is around. Guy, pack your stuff. Let's go.
No, I cannot go, Daddy, please. Let me stay here, please. Just for remaining time, please.
You know school will resume soon, right? You know that.
I can be going from here, or I go to the V school and continue from there.
Is that what you want?
Yes.
Oh, well. Thank you. See you guys.
Alright, bye. Listen, you have to go back.
Mommy, I'm going through a lot in that house. I'm going through a lot there. I cannot go back home. Like, if you see the way this woman used to use me to... Mommy, I don't think so.
Daniel, I understand, okay? It's your father's house. It's your house. You're not running away from there. You are going there tomorrow. Your father will look after you. I'm always here for you, okay? Hey!
Okay, Mommy.
Come on, Cheryl. Come here, give me a hug.
My daughter Queen, I understand this whole thing is not your fault. But please, you have a role to play. To play as the mother of Daniel.
Honestly, Mom, ever since his father came, I have been persuading Daniel to go back to his father's house. But he keeps on saying he's not ready yet.
Hey! Who knows what Vera would have done to this child? Who knows how much he has scared him to make him refusing to go to his father's house? Why has my daughter changed this much?
Frankly speaking, Vera's change of character baffles me. Honestly. I mean, I know Alice. Alice doesn't joke with his children. He's someone that can do anything. He can go out of his way to make sure that his kids are okay. If Vera had come into this family with her own children, this case would have been different. It could have been understood. But as it is, I don't know.
I understand. I understand very well. And I will make things right. That is the reason I came. I will not leave the first city where I live with my husband, leave my business and come here. Come to this city and things will not be put in order. I will surely put things in order before I leave. That is an assurance.
And I pray so, because Alice is the one suffering all of this.
I understand. Manabiko, help me talk to Daniel. Talk to him, let him come back to his father's house. You know? Only.
I will try. I'll try my best.
As for Vera, I will make sure she comes around. She will turn back to the real Vera I gave birth to and not this one I'm seeing now.
Sorry, Mom. So, what will I offer you? You say you don't want anything? It doesn't matter. At least even if it's water.
You needed to see his face. He was waiting for me to cry and beg and apologize. I did because my mother asked me to.
Babe, sincerely? Why would your mom ask? Sweetheart, you were getting big. I do not like it. You didn't dull me now. What's your plan? Why are you dulling me? Babe, this is not about. You take it by violence. Take it by force. Don't look at your face.
And why are you antagonizing my child? Go on. I was actually enjoying the conversation.
Good afternoon, ma.
What is good about the afternoon?
I was already on my way out, ma, before you came in. Yes, ma.
Looking at the glass of drink is not done, which means it's not too long you came.
That's not true, ma. I've been here for hours. So, like, right? I've been here for so long. We were discussing, catching up, and then I forgot to take my drink. It's not like I didn't want to take it. I've been here for so long, ma. Yeah, I had an emergency, so I have to go now.
Yeah, just you. Okay.
Yes.
Take care.
Okay.
See you.
Please take care, Mama.
Yeah, of course.
Give her food.
Yeah.
Mama,
Yeah, sure.
you're welcome, ma. Excuse me.
Have I not told you I don't want to see this girl around you? She's not good enough for you.
Mom, Jessica is my best friend, my one and only friend. Yes, clap for yourself.
Jessica is my best friend, my one and only friend. Get yourself married women and make them your friends, not single ladies. Your husband is young, rich, and handsome.
Well, I will definitely put a sign out there for married women to come for interview, and probably you will interview them so they can be my friends. As for my husband, Jessica is not that kind of woman who will go after another woman's husband. So trust me, she's been my friend for ages and she's still my friend and nothing will change that. Okay, Mom?
Each day and Mado ya no biggie. Or put it on your back. Write it. But whichever way you do it, get married women as friends for yourself.
Don't destroy yourself. You can destroy yourself. Don't destroy this enemy in this time. Don't destroy yourself. When you know be trust in the enemy. Don't destroy yourself. When you know be trust in the enemy.
I told you to work. I told you our 20% offer will work, didn't I tell you?
Huh? My man, I was surprised. You read Junior also, my bro.
Yes, sir.
So we are also confident, telling them that yes, I'm sticking to 20%. Let's do it this way. And they believe in me.
Good. I told you. I have done this for more than 10 years. I've worked for the ministry. Nobody takes more than 20%. Yes. And that's life. In life, you have to stick to your guts. Whatever anybody tells you, somebody can say 100%, 200%, that's your business. Stick to that thing you want. Don't let anybody shake you and you'll achieve it.
My man, if I don't stick to your plan now, how do we even get... My man, you're a genius. I must say you're a genius.
Yes, sir. Yes,
I
sir.
appreciate that.
It's God. It's God.
It wasn't easy at first, but thank God.
Confirm.
Yeah. But another thing, this one your wife is troubling you, giving you headache. How would you be able to focus on this new project?
This guy, I've told you before, nothing can affect me when I'm doing business. Never. Don't worry about my wife. My wife gives me issues, yes, all that, but it's normal with women. I'm always focused on business, alright? Nothing can make me lose focus. It's not possible. I've told you before. Yes, my wife gives issues. She keeps acting and like someone who's having some mental problem. I don't know what's wrong with her. But no matter what, I will handle it, right? That's what makes me a man. It's not too much for me.
Because I was of the opinion we should see like a prophet or a seer or somebody like that can check into this thing for us. Let's know what's wrong with her at least.
When there are fake prophets and fake prophetesses are everywhere. If you can find a good one, fine, but these days to get a good one, many of them are fake. All they do is just to tell you stories, tell you all sorts of lies and get money from you, that's all.
You have a point too, because one of our uncle was telling me the way one prophet extorted money from him, telling him all sorts of lies, even blame his father in the village that it was the cause of his problem. As in they drained down my uncle mentally.
That's it, man. That's their way. That's all they do. They end up causing more problems for you. But I'll fix it. It's my home. I'll fix it. Don't worry.
Okay, if you say so, I believe in you. You've already proven yourself now. So I believe you can take care of this.
Yes, sir.
I'm very happy. Finally, we got this project.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's get going.
Alright.
Yeah. Maybe this evening we could celebrate or something.
Sure, definitely. You know me now. Go club now.
Their opinion doesn't matter. If they don't care about you, your mother is here for you. All right?
Okay, Mommy.
One more thing. I want you to know that you are the first son of this family. There is nothing anybody will do about it. They can't change it. So be a man, comport yourself. Do not be afraid. This is your father's house. No one is taking it away from you. Okay?
Okay, Mommy.
All right, go in.
This is the actor. See? But I'm shooting the money.
No matter how I look at this game, from now till tomorrow, I will not understand anything. In our time, it's where we used to play, no swear.
No, what is
The one they do like this. They will draw it.
Okay. That one they used to count.
No, they don't used to count it. You will draw lines. Then you'll be, if your leg match on the line, you are failed.
Oh.
That kind of thing.
Yes.
Daniel, are you
Ma.
there? Didn't you hear me call you?
Sorry, ma.
Sorry for yourself. Now follow me. Come help out in the kitchen immediately.
How? You have a female child in the house who needs to be taught on how to cook.
Mom,
Go and call her.
What do you mean how? What do you actually mean how?
I will beat you.
I only
Put your hand on your body and relax.
Mother, I simply asked him to come help out in the kitchen. What's wrong with that?
Nothing, no.
Good.
There's nothing wrong. I say teach your child, princess, the female
Grandma,
in this
please.
house, how to be an African woman. Can't teach her how to cook. Leave Daniel here.
Grandma, please.
Mother, Princess is already in the kitchen. And she's learning really fast. Now, Daniel is the first child in this house. That's what you all said. He's grown, so let him come help out in the kitchen. That way, it will be quicker. So what's wrong with it?
He has been helping since. Okuya, today let him enjoy himself. Take your phone and play your game. Go and continue the cooking with Princess. Vera! Get out. Go and continue your cooking. Come on. I'm talking to you. You're going inside. Alana, buddy, come here. Vera! Vera! Nonsense. I am here. And I promise to make things right. You should not body get down.
Grandma, I don't like this thing. Why are you always making us to work these days?
And who says so?
Since you came, Grandma, I've been doing most of the work that Daniel is supposed to do. Why?
Yes.
Princess, you were a female gender like me. And very soon, you'll become a woman.
Grandma, what are you trying to say? What are you trying to say? We are doing all the work that Dan is supposed to be doing in this house.
Obinna, this time around, all hands on deck. Everybody will get their own portion of work to do. All the chores will not be left for Daniel, your elder brother, alone.
Daniel is not my elder brother.
Shut up! Uchiologi. Uchiya, before I help you to close it myself. Daniel is not your elder brother. Between Obinna and Daniel, who is the oldest?
Grandma, this is not fair.
Shut up. Shut it and go into the kitchen and finish the duties I asked you to do. Move. And mind you, next time I will use scale on you.
I swear my mother is making my life difficult. And she's made my home a living hell. I don't know what else to do. Help me.
Well, I'm not surprised. Yes. Because from the very first time you told me that your mother was coming to your house, to this house, I knew that you were in for a big trouble. Like, very big trouble, a huge one. I just knew it.
Bigger problem? My mother has given Daniel the upper hand, thereby subjecting my children under him. My own children. kind of a mother does that?
No, this does not sound nice. This does not smell well. It doesn't make any kind of sense. Come on. What is this? No, now, my dear, you have just by yourself now washed your hands and made a very sweet offer for her and Ogbono for Daniel to eat in your own house.
Forbid bad
Oh,
thing.
that's it.
Jessica, what do I do now? Help me now. Help your friend. What do I do?
Okay, first things first. You must find a way for your mother to leave this house. Yes, so you can take back the wheels. Then you sit down on your chair and control things. Yes, you have to. You don't have a choice.
I leave this house. Jessica, think of another plan. My husband gave her a huge amount of money a couple of days ago. Even got her some really nice dresses and wrappers. Trust me, my mother is not going anywhere anytime soon.
Meaning what?
She has come to stay.
Oh.
Jessica, help me now. Don't be quiet. Help me.
I'm trying to think. Okay, fine. You know now, trust me. Solution bringer. Problem solver. You know, that's me.
I know.
So I know what we will do.
Really?
Yes, my girl, trust me. I did for you 100%.
Thank you.
Don't worry now.
Thank
Don't
you
worry.
so much.
Let's just our plan.
Yes.
Don't destroy yourself. You can destroy yourself. Don't destroy this enemy in disguise.
Jessica, you've not told me where we're going to. I hope it's not a native doctor's place because, trust me, I do not want to shed blood or even kill anyone.
Please, come on. I cannot kill anybody too. It's nothing like that, please.
That's fine. So where are we going to?
Are you scared?
A little bit, yes.
Why are you? I mean, why not wait for us to get there first? Then you see things and hear things for yourself, right?
Well, the sound of that scares me.
Really? Okay, do you want to go back to your house?
That's not what I meant.
Then what do you mean? If it's not what you meant, then let's go. You are keeping her waiting. I don't get it.
Where are we?
Vera, enough of your questions now. We are here at the place.
I don't understand this whole thing again.
What don't you understand? Sometimes you act like a child. I don't get it. This is it. The same thing you do in your house. Today you are cold, tomorrow you are hot, and then you are being indecisive. What is your problem? Listen, I brought you here to conquer your fears and make you the woman to be feared. Do you understand? What is it? Now, let me ask you again. Are you ready to go in with me or not? Vera.
Lead the way.
So that's much. Anybody home?
You're welcome to my temple, Pharaoh Ezekiel. I'm a seer. I want to clear your mind and show your fears to you. I see yesterday, today, and tomorrow. How do we go about it? Dip your finger into that water and you will see your future and how it will be. Why my future?
Just listen to the seer.
Why your future? It's because that's what you're scared of. You don't know what your husband will do over Danny and Obina when the time comes. So dip your finger into that water.
Yes, come on. Come here, you. You see? Get down. I said, get down. Listen, no one is coming to serve you today. Yes.
What did I do to you, Daniel?
Oh, you're asking me.
What did I do to you? If you want to show your power, go out there and meet your mates now. It's because my children are not around.
Even if they were around, what would they have done? I'm asking you. Nobody's coming to save you. By the time I'm done with you, all that you did to me, by the time I'm done with you today, you will see.
Daniel.
Yes.
Daniel, this is wickedness.
Wickedness.
This is wickedness.
Go down on your knees. Go down.
Why will you put an old woman?
Go down on your knees. I said, go down on your knees. Go down. Go down. Go down.
The way Daniel treated me today was so bad. As if I'm a thief that stole his phone. Why will he raise his hands on me? Why? An old woman like me.
Daniel, because you observed that nobody was at home. That's why you have the guts to beat up my mom, right?
Oh, shut up.
Right? We should see about that, don't worry.
Hey boy, you should stop ranting.
I'm ranting.
Okay? What can you do?
Did you hear him?
I ask again, what can you do?
So because we're inside the house now, you have mouth to talk. Let's go outside. Let me face you man to man.
Listen to me. Listen to me, kid bro. If you put body, you go collect. You go collect. But for now, I'll just act calm. Okay? So shut up.
You heard him boasting my husband. It's because you are supporting him. That is why he keeps repeating it. You are supporting this boy so much.
Vera, what do you want me to say? What do you want me to say? You came to complain to me over something. And you came with your soldiers. And you expect Daniel to keep quiet when his younger ones are insulting him.
They are now insulting him. But I am here telling you what he did to me. You keep quiet. You didn't say anything. You are here reading your newspaper. Is it good, my husband?
You came to tell me to complain what he did to you with your soldiers, with your armies. That's okay. That is very much good. But I want to tell you this now. You can see I'm an old man who wants to live. Or do you want me to die now? I want to live my life quietly the way I'm living it now.
Yes.
These children will not kill me. I am not the only father or that have a family. They will not kill me. I want to still live. So they are fighting only through their mouth. They are talking. They are not fighting with hands. So it is normal in every family. Child. So my own is no different.
You're not going to die.
Child.
You shall live, Dad.
Hi. Dikeh, no. Child. Oh my God. What have I done to deserve this? What have I done?
You did everything bad. And you deserve what is happening to you right now. Yes. You did everything wrong. Remember, I told you that you are going to pay dearly for your sins. Right? So you should avoid God in this case. If you want to call God, you kneel down and pray to him, then he will answer you. But calling him in this case, I can personally tell you that God is not going to answer you. Excuse me.
Can you hear him?
Daniel, you're a fool.
Can you hear him?
A big fool.
No?
I'm empty vessel.
It's obvious that he's taking side of it.
Exactly.
He don't want to talk anything. But I know what to do. I know what to do. No problem. Let's go inside. I know what to do.
Father, this thing you're doing in this house is unfair. Mama, let's go in. This thing is not fair. It's not fair, Papa. Ha!
Want me to die untimely death because of your stupid children? No, I will not die.
Wow. You mean you landed safely? So you mean you're in the US now? Oh my God, congratulations, bro. Congratulations. Hold on, I'm going to call you back shortly, okay?
Daniel, are you ready to start the battle you started yesterday with my mother?
And what is the meaning of this?
It's a payback time for what you started.
Daniel, every single thing you did to our mother yesterday, you're going to receive double of it from us right now.
Okay, fine and good. It's a welcome idea. Go on and show me what you got.
You're supposed to be on your knees begging us right now.
Me?
And you're bragging.
Be on my knees?
Daniel, you think I'm here to joke?
Listen to me. And I believe in action and I believe in words.
Right? You think what?
Yes, sit down.
Anyway.
I have been waiting since I came back for you to tell me how your children attacked Daniel with their weapons.
Oh, he told you?
Yes, he told me. Because if it was Daniel that attacked your children or did anything other wrong thing, by now in this house, I would have been gone.
I have been telling you that since. What have you done? Nothing. Only to protect him all the time.
Is that what you're saying?
Of course. But I'm saying the truth.
Vera, do not cry calling my name or coming to me to report any other problem in this house. If an issue comes up again, do not come to me. Manage it yourself.
Nah, sometimes I don't know how you behave. I'm telling you honestly. Sometimes I don't know how you behave. I am telling you that your son beat your wife mercilessly. All you could do is to protect him, defend him. Why?
Yes, because you have planned with your children to always look for his trouble. And definitely, he must protect himself. Enemies.
Did he tell you that he brought that dagger from his waist to finish my children?
Yes, he told me.
He told you?
He told me.
Oh, it's a very good idea, isn't it?
Is it a very good idea? Yes, it is a good idea because he was protecting himself. Though I warned him against it.
Why will you warn him? You would have not. Why will you warn him? You would have ordered him to kill everybody in the house so that he will remain alone in this house. You are warning him. Why?
Vera.
Good man.
You can go. We are through. I'm done with you. You can go.
This is how you protect. You keep peace in your house.
Vera, if you want to live in pieces with the children, go ahead. For me, I will live the way. Nobody will kill me in this house because I did not kill my parents for any reason, no matter what they did. What kind of a woman are you?
Don't destroy yourself. Trust in an enemy. Don't destroy yourself. Trust in an enemy. Don't destroy yourself. Trust in an enemy.
What is it, Daniel? Why are you blocking my way?
Have you forgotten so soon, ma'am? We had an agreement. Yes.
Wishes.
You mean you've forgotten so soon? Oh, come on, ma'am. You need to stop pretending. Honestly, it doesn't suit you. Yes. Anyways, you promised to give me 50,000 naira. Yes. Have you forgotten?
Okay, fine. I will give you the money. I'll give you the money later. Okay?
No way. I want it now. Right now.
I said I don't have it now. I will give you later. Eh?
And I said no. No way. I need the money right now.
The money I have given it to my children.
Really? You see? That is it. And that is where Daniel becomes bad. You've proven to me once more that it's always about your children. You always place them above me. But you know what? It's okay. Watch. You see
Daniel,
this?
what kind of embarrassment is this? Huh?
When you get the money, you have this.
I said I will give you the money. I will add bonus.
And I said I want it now. Yes, I want it now. Listen, it's more like you're not ready for this. So get the money, you get your car keys.
Daniel,
Otherwise,
give me the car keys now. Oh, give me the car keys.
you want the car keys? Sorry, ma'am. Come get it.
You are embarrassing me, Daniel.
Excuse me.
This boy collected car key from me.
Your imagination is killing you.
When this number is not connected.
Mother, what happened? You didn't go out again.
I don't know why Daniel has chosen to be a thorn on my flesh in this house.
What? Daniel? What did he do, Mom?
He collected the car key from me because I have not given him the money I promised him.
What nonsense! How dare he?
What is wrong with that boy? Eh? What gave him the right to seize your car key? I don't understand. As what? Your husband or your father? What is wrong with him?
Obina should come back. When your father comes back, and I'll report it.
Mama, just leave him, I beg. Leave him. Let him do whatever he wants. What is it now? This insult is getting too much.
What kind of nonsense is this?
Ha!
Collected my car key.
Look with the fear and waiting.
I don't know.
This insult is too much, oh, Mama. We need to do something about this thing. It's too much. Ha! It is all this.
Daniel! 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 Daniel, what has come over you? How you seized my mom's car key? Why?
Oh, car key. This. She sent you to come get it, okay? Come have it then. I'm no fear.
Daniel, do you realize that this is your own father's wife? Do you realize that?
Look at who's talking about respect. Just look at the way you are shouting my name, screaming as if you want to bring down this building. Talking about respect, you! Anyways, come get the car keys. Take.
Daniel, it's not as if I'm scared of you, it's just respect, oh. It's just respect, I'm just respecting you. It's just respect. Don't worry, man.
Come get the car keys. I'm no fear. Eh? Look at who's talking about respect. Listen, bro. I believe in action than I believe in words. Okay? No, come back. Come get the keys. Bro, let me teach you how to respect your elders. And mafia. Can you just imagine? Shouting and screaming my name, Daniel. Come on, get your bolo.
Your imagination is killing you. 'Cause it's preview of your life coming attraction. Always remember that's the future comes one at a time. Don't destroy yourself, trusting an enemy. Don't destroy yourself, trusting an enemy. Don't destroy yourself, trusting an enemy. Don't destroy.
You have not done anything concerning what I told you on phone earlier today, my husband.
I'm sorry about that. But I told him to return the key immediately.
If he did, I wouldn't have been here. This insult is getting out of hand. Why will my husband keep calm? Is he equally afraid of him? Or is he pretending and supporting him because he loves him so much? Okay, don't worry. Everything will soon end. Everything will soon end.
I cannot have my peace.
You never cautioned him of what he did. Eh?
Did you tell me that you had a business with him that did not pay him?
My husband, will that give him the guts to block my way and collected my car key and stop me from where I was going? Huh?
The most important thing now is that you have your car key with you. And also I've promised him that I'm going to pay him the money you owe him so that peace will reign. What else do you want me to do for you? Or do you want me to take a knife, cut off his head, put on a tray for you to be happy? Is that what you want me to do?
You are the one spoiling this boy. That is why he keep misbehaving. You are spoiling this boy. It's not good.
The children you're backing, I can see how well you're doing with them. I can see how well you are doing with them.
Now listen to me and listen very good, both of you. I, Daniel, I am the head of this family. And whatever I say stands.
Says who? Obina, my brother, is the head of this family. Yes.
Wait, did you just talk back at me? No. Did I hear you very well? Listen to me, princess. If you don't like it, go to the nearest transformer and guess what? Kiss it. Yes!
Daniel! Because you're the head boy in your school doesn't mean you're the head of this house. See, better respect yourself. If you want to claim seniority, then you go to your mother's house.
One more word from you. I swear, I'll cut off your mouth. Yes, I will cut your mouth shut for you, so you don't have to mention my mother again.
What will you do? And what will you do?
How dare you?
Daniel, what will you do?
How dare you?
If you dare me now, I'll beat you here, right there, right now.
You do what?
You do what? Get your phone.
You do what? What would you do? Yes, I'm asking you. What are you going to do to me?
Daniel, if I were to enter you, it would be like saying a caterpillar jam you. Try it. Do your worst.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Eh? Look at the two of you cannot even stand one person. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? You shameless fools.
Just repeat that again. That we can't face you. Can you challenge me, Daniel?
Show him.
Look at him.
Show him.
Look at him.
Show him.
Right, get out of here.
Not damn me.
I said get out of here.
Daniel, I'll beat you here, right here, right now.
Do your worst.
Yeah.
Yes.
Look at him. Eh? After that, I claim Juana finish cow. Can you imagine?
Show me your strength. Show me your just damn me.
Do your worst.
I don't know where it all came out from. Daniel, he's the senior in this house. And I want all of you to respect him as that. There's nothing any of you can do to change it. It is how God fashioned it from the beginning, and nothing can happen against that. So please, let me have peace in this house. Obin, are you hearing me?
But Dad, Daniel doesn't act like the senior.
Yes. All because I wasn't subjected under you to become your slaves, just the way your mother planned it.
How dare you bring my mother into this matter? How dare you? Have you lost it?
How dare you talk to me like that in front of her father? How dare you?
Daniel, respect yourself. Respect yourself.
Obina, why are you so stupid and stubborn? Daniel is your senior brother. I have said that several times. I have said that severally in this house. He is your senior brother. And do you not fight him in any cause? Do not. Are you hearing me? Will you sit down? Sit down quick. Daniel, sit down. I don't want to see you do that again in this house. Are you hearing me? If you have any quarrel or any case with him, come and tell me. I will solve the matter. Obina, I don't exactly understand what is happening in this house. Can I not come back to this house and have peace once in my life? Or is it wrong that I have you as my children?
Obina, I'm not in support of this one.
No.
Wait a minute. Are you being serious right now? Have you forgotten our agreement? Why are you backing up right now?
Obina, I've changed my mind. I don't want to be a party to this particular plot.
Come on, princess. Why are you scared? Who plotted this thing out smoothly? There's no trace.
I said no. No.
Really?
Yes. Huh.
Tombi, see, the plan is going on smoothly. So you have nothing to be afraid of, okay?
Obina, do you know what you're about to do? Eh? Do you know what you're about to do? Obina, I won't be a party to this particular plot. Period. Huh.
Princess! Ah, women. Just little plan. Ah, you just... Oh, God.
Why would you want to do such a thing? Don't try it, it's not good.
Mom, what are you talking about? What thing?
Princess told me everything.
Princess told you everything?
Yes.
Everything?
Yes.
Like what?
Why would you want to poison Daniel's food? No. Things are not done like that. Don't even think of it. Eh? Why would you take a life that you cannot give?
But Mom, is it not better if you just die and just end everything up than to cause problem every day?
No. Your father will rain thunder us. Please.
The way you always rain thunder and stone, supporting him. I'm tired of this whole thing.
My son, please, don't think of that, okay? Please.
I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry. It will never happen again.
It's okay. It's okay.
Promise.
Let me go put something for you guys.
Daniel.
Dad.
You will have to apologize to my wife in front of everybody.
Well, Dad, it's okay. I'm going to apologize. But before that, I would like to know why she walked up to where I was eating and threw away my food. Yes.
You're right somehow. Exactly. Tell us why you threw away his food. Tell us.
Father must still be pushed around with questions. Daniel here should apologize to my mother so we can move on. You're the man of the house. You should act like one.
But
well, Dad, like I said earlier, I am going to apologize. But before then, I insist that I know why she threw away my food.
I think I'm in support. Tell us why you threw away the food. It's important.
Why is it difficult for someone to answer?
That is not difficult at all.
Then she should go ahead and tell us why.
Tell us.
Try to be a man.
Am I a woman? Tell us why, because you have something in mind. Why did you throw away the food? It's very important.
It's a simple question that demands a simple answer.
I'm a man. Am I a woman before? I'm a man of the house. Have you not people settled so we can go inside?
Dad! Dad! We are going to settle this so well. Yes. Except they choose to stay in there forever. They struck first. Yes. So we are going to settle it very fine. You have nothing to worry about, Dad.
You are the one that caused it, Daniel.
How dare you? How dare you? One more word from you.
Daniel, hold it.
One more word from you, and I'll start with you.
Vera, go inside.
Unbelievable, my husband.
I say go inside.
Is that all you have to say? Vera, go inside. Is that all? Hey.
Before somebody will die here. Go inside.
Vegetable man.
Eh? Go inside. Go. No. Come out and don't touch her. I've told you, I'm going to settle this matter. So why are you still ranting? Why are you still in this state?
Dad, you have nothing to worry about. Dad, you should know I believe in action than I believe in words. You know this, Dad. You have nothing to worry about. So you go in there and relax. I'm going to settle this my own way. By the time I'm done with you all in this house, you will know why my father kept me there yesterday. Yes. I'm so gonna deal with you all. This is my father's house. This is my father's house. This is my father's house. We are both coming. I'm coming for you all. I'm coming for you all. urchins! Idiots! No, you people should come back and fight me in my father's house. Listen, let me tell you, I told you all before that I believe in action more than I believe in words. Fools! This is my father's house. This is where I belong. Come back here. Let me release this bullet on you. Fools! Ah!
Mark, my brother, I wish you were here to experience what I have been seeing in my family. It has not been easy. Mark, the worst has happened. Well, Daniel has chased Vera and her children are out of the house. At least let me have peace. There is nothing I can do. All I need is peace of mind. Excuse me. Is that my Vera?
How many times have I warned you never to step your foot into this compound again?
Please, allow me to see my husband, please.
Why are you proving stubborn? Why?
I don't have any strength for fight now. Please, I just want to see my husband.
So after I warned you never to step your foot into this compound, you had the guts to come in here and you're even asking me where he is. Okay? Huh?
Alex! Alex, my husband! Ale!
Now, get out.
Ale!
At the count of 3, if you don't get out, I'm going to show you what I'm made of. 1,
Ale, Wakoma.
2, 2.5.
Daniel, what is it?
Dad, can you please ask this woman what she's here to do? Ask her why she is here.
My wife? Or don't you know that she's my wife?
Oh, really? I never knew so. Well, I am not disputing the fact that she is your wife, Dad. Right? But I've warned her never to step her foot into this compound, Dad. Fine and good, you can go get an apartment somewhere for her. Yes, get a better home for her. That's your business, not mine. But what I'm after is that I do not want to see her in this compound, Dad. Yes! Please ask her to leave.
Vera, you can leave.
Also?
I said leave, it's also.
Dad, I wouldn't be held accountable on any action that I'm going to take if she refuses to leave at the count of 3.
Oh, he's counting. He said 2. He's counting. 2.5. He's counting. He's counting. Leave, move.
Oh, Dad, you see, I don't like
Daniel, it's okay. Come back. She has gone. Go back.
No. I cannot have such a future filled with so much trouble. No single rest. No.
What do you want?
I don't know what to say at the moment. Please, Sia, can I just go home? Think about it. Come back some other time and tell you my answer.
As you wish, Vera. It is your future and everything. As you please.
I'm afraid of the future, I'm afraid of...
Baby, that was a smart answer you gave me. Very smart of you. See?
I swear, I was scared of everything I saw in there. I mean, I didn't know what to say. So in order not to give the wrong answer, I just told her that I'll think about it.
But sweetheart, you did well. You did very well. Like, bravo, you did well.
Sincerely, I don't know what to say. How did you get to know the Sia's place?
Some time ago, like far back, my friend's phone was stolen, iPhone 13 Pro Max. She brought me here. I saw how the phone was stolen, who stole the phone, and how to get it back. That was how I got in this place. Sincerely.
Hi.
Yes.
Jesse, I don't even know what to do right now. Just...
Don't worry. I would let you think about that yourself. Do the thinking. When you get home, sit down and think about it. The seer says it's in your future. So, my darling, calm down, okay? And let's go home. All right?
Daniel? Daniel? Didn't you hear me call you? You stupid idiot. What are you even doing here anyway?
I'm enjoying my ice cream.
I can see that. Obviously the one your father bought for you, right?
Yes, but it's the remaining part he gave me yesterday.
Liar. And you now even lie to protect your father? What kind of a child are you?
No, I am not lying. It's true.
It doesn't matter. Whatever it is, shush it. Because you were meant to always serve my children. You will forever be under my kids. And that is it. Stupid.
No, that is not true. My dad and grandma has already told me that I'm the first in the family and not the second.
Will you shut your mouth if I slap you, dear? Animal, I'm talking, you're talking. If you know, if you like, just stay glued to my mother. But trust me, she won't save you from what's coming next.
I thought my dad and grandma has already finalized this issue. Why is it up again?
Are you still bantering words with me? Is something wrong with your head? Don't make me squeeze you this morning. Useless fool. Don't see what's coming next.
My brother, from the conversation I had with Vera, I don't think she's comfortable with Queen coming to this house. She's not happy about it.
What are you driving at?
What I'm trying to say in essence is that she coming here, she's coming to cause nuisance. And your wife is not comfortable about it. You should stop her from coming.
My family. My home. Every day one thing pops up. You tackle this one, another one will come up. What did Vera tell you? See, the house belongs to me, right? It's my home. And I want Queen to be coming here. She keeps an eye on our boy, our son Daniel, at least when I'm not around.
Let me draw your attention to something. Queen is married. You're also married. You know now. Anything can happen, my man.
Nothing will happen. The boy in question belongs to both of us. He's my son. He's also her son.
My brother, I'm just saying.
Yeah, you have nothing to say. Leave it. It's my home. Run your home the way you like. Leave mine. I love the fact that she comes here. Let's keep it that way.
What do you think you're doing?
I am playing my favorite game and eating my biscuits in my father's house.
Your father's house? And not my children's father, right?
I never said that.
Speaking about my children, where are they?
Maybe they should be in their rooms.
So you decided to scare them away simply because you want to enjoy your biscuits and your favorite game in your father's house, right? You know what? By the time I go in there and come back, I don't want to see this place like this. Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
In fact, hold it. Daniel!
Ma.
Are you stupid? So you left the kitchen scattered and littered with plates, all dirty and messed up, simply because you want to enjoy your biscuits and enjoy your favorite game?
No.
In your father's house, right?
Grandma told us to wash the plates, but Obina and Princess ran in. So that is why I'm here waiting for them.
You're very stupid to say you're waiting for them. Do you want me to strangle you? And what are you still doing seated? Get up from there! Go in there, clear all the dishes. If you want to lick them clean with your tongue, you better start doing it. Come back here, what are you doing? Come back here. What's this thing still doing here?
Sorry.
Pick it up! If you want to lick everything with your tongue, you better make sure they are shiny and they are all clean. If I see a single speck of dirt on the floor, you will lose a finger.
I'm afraid of the future, I'm afraid. I'm afraid of the future, I'm afraid of. Every day I wake up with fear.
Babe, can you see your friend Vera? I don't see any reason why Vera should be asking me out in your own house.
What?
Yes.
That's a big lie, a big fat lie.
My friend, will you shut up?
Will you shut the hell up? Can you imagine this disgusting animal? I was right here sleeping and waiting for you. Next thing, I felt a hand touching me. Only for me to open my eyes and I saw this nincompoop touching me.
Baby, don't believe
Now
her.
he's turning around to tell the whole story.
She's a bloody liar.
Jesse!
Please, oh my God.
Hold up. Please, just shut it down. What in God's name is happening in my house? Really? I just left here for like 4 hours and then this is happening? Bum! Really?
Don't mind her, okay?
Okay, fine. I did not hear anything. Please just leave my house. Get out.
You heard her loud and clear. Leave.
Jesse, are you...
I do not want to hear a thing.